If this is the level of the old TSF, and we have implemented material above it, the uniformity material being used in the outside part, because the cracking incident is on the outside part of the line, not the inside part. It goes along the slope. The material was not uniform. So they excavated that portion of material, dumped with the same material that has been dumped on both sides, and the slope supposedly it's 1:3, meaning we dump at 1 meter, we dump 3 meters in horizontal width. That makes it flatter, and we extend it up to 1:6, meaning 6 on the horizontal and every 1 meter of lift. So it is now very flat ang ating slope. That makes it to support the present type na naging stable na siya in terms of factor of safety. So the cracking incident is just superficial on the material being dumped in that above the original settled material TSF.
But so, there was no trailing spill?
No trailing spill, no trailing spill. So it was corrected already.
So your tailings TSF4 is capable to handle the volume of water that you have been producing?
Yes.
So how what is the volume capacity of your TSF?
I have no record, I cannot remember. But we'll present it next
yes, please determine what is now the present type, assuming
containment capacity and our plan in case we will go back to operation.
Siguro by assuming we will not beat the existing elevation of your TSF in monthly, what is now the life of that TSF?
Yes.
Yeah, we'll present it next week. The containment capacity,
Containment
set up. What is the maximum containment capacity?
Yes.
Where we are now. We'll present it next week.
Assuming there is no elevation height or build up of